You can create a string either with single quote or double quote. In Lua there is no difference between the two. It prints single quote, double quote. You can use the other quote inside another without escaping. So double quote can have single quote inside, and single quote can have double quote inside. If you want to use the same kind of code, it is an error. So you would have to escape it with a backward slash. Now there is double quote inside a double quote. You can also escape other things like new line and so on. Rather than escaping a new line, you can use a double bracket to create a string with many lines. One thing to remember is that the new line at the beginning of the double bracket is ignored, but not at the end. So if we put the closing bracket in a separate line, it will print the empty line at the end of the string.